we are Kenneth and me, Desiree. We're going to present to you a little experiment. The the jet engine experiment. So our question is going to be how do jet engines work? And we're going to have a little experiment later and kind of show it to you.
Will be that the mason jar will burn the alcohol and we will learn the principle of the jet engine.
Okay, now we're going to present the procedure. For this, we're going to know which are the materials. So we're going to need a little bit of industrial alcohol. We're going to need a jar with some sort of way to lock it, and then we're going to puncture a hole through it like this tiny hole. And we're also going to use matches. And what we're going to do, we're going to put some alcohol inside the bottle and then we're going to move it. That way every single part of the bottle has alcohol. And then we're just going to grab a match, light it up and put it in here. What it should do is that it should burn and start making sound. And yeah.
The experiment. First, you grab the alcohol and pour it in the mason jar. Then we're gonna seal the mason jar very tight. Now we're gonna move all around the glass. Now, we're gonna light up.
And this is why we didn't use aluminum foil on it. You have to use an actual top. And you can see our rubber band destroyed about the fire, melted.
And also the clay.
The clay. Well, it was a good way of learning. We are outside. We're gonna start to light them up. First, we're gonna take up the little that. You saw it? Did you guys saw it? Can you put please that way, please? I'm gonna try it again. Let's see if it works, because once it is already used, it may not work already. Second time. You saw it? Did you guys saw it? Okay. Now let's go on to the next one. Okay. I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna try it again in this one. Okay, let's be really careful with this one because some alcohol was pouring out of that. Step away from it! I need to... Okay. You saw it? This one was much better. And I'm not gonna turn it on again because it was clearly seen. Now walk with me. We're gonna do the last one. It's the biggest one we have. Let's see if it works. Okay, you guys saw it? It was really fast. It actually Okay, let's see if it... Again. We clearly are missing some alcohol, but it's gonna be like that. In the one we did actually had very good measures, whereas in the middle one and the green one, because as you saw, it actually worked for quite a while. The other one worked, but not that much. Of course, it may have been also the alcohol or the fact that the hole is a little way too big or too small. It may also have been that one. This one, it was clearly the alcohol. Actually, it's kind of hot, so I'm gonna put it down. It's hot. Okay.
Okay, the data analysis. We've learned from this experiment that depending on the jar and the amount of alcohol, it will make a different sound, and it will burn faster or slower.
Okay, now we're going to talk about the conclusion. In the conclusion of our experiment, we can say that we have learned the basics of how jet engines work, how the fuel of the jet works, or how it is used throughout the whole workout. And we have learned that size actually matters and the fuel.